Hello guys, I'm back with another video. In this video I'll teach you about some close tips and tricks due to which you can win any fight. 90% you will win, I'm sure, because these tips and tricks are followed by most of us and they're usual. So first one is the basic jiggle. This we all know. The basic jiggle is this jiggle. See this basic jiggle. And the another one is the one those thumbs player use. I'll show you that also. The thumbs player use this jiggle. Wait a second. Here, I'll show you here a space. See, this jiggle is used by thumb players. They use this jiggle and they have a good aim due to this. Another type of jiggle is the fast jiggle. In this jiggle you have to change your aim side by side while you are aiming. See this. You can practice many times like this. You have to always, when you are shooting and jiggling, you have to make a move which is crouch. You have to always crouch. You can practice this going around and around and around. Now I'll teach you one. If someone is taking TPP on you, how to kill him. It's very easy. First you have to always go on him. Like, I'll demonstrate you with example. Wait. So I'll demonstrate you here. Wait. If someone is taking TPP, you have to do a simple move. This is jump. You have to jump and aim, and you have to practice this in training ground again and again. And if someone is taking TPP and there are more players, then you have to shoot these moving targets by changing your aim every time. Use these techniques and you will win most of the close fights. Jump, crouch, jump, crouch, jump, crouch while shooting and aiming. Let me get some ammo. Use half grip, so that always use half grip on M4 so that you can get a good recoil. You can control recoil easily. Let me pick a backpack. Wait a second, but just. Now practice to this moving targets to improve your aim when a player is taking TPP, such as by peek and fire, like this. Peek and fire, hip fire, give hip fire. Try to kill all targets one by one. Now another thing I'm going to teach you is the crouch move. Jump. First practice this jump move very quickly on these targets. It's too easy to practice. Now we learn the crouch. Do this. When a player is taking TPP, go once left and then right and do crouch technique. See, while crouch you can have a good aim also. Crouch technique always work. If you are scope and aiming, then always do crouch. This will help you to dodge shots which are coming from long shots. Such as the enemy is far away and he's hitting you with shots, you can do this. Just jump, crouch. And when you are jumping, move in the opposite direction of jumping. Such as if you are jumping in the right direction, then when you land, go at the left direction. To take no damage, this is the prone move. In close range you can use the prone move so to not take any damage. Sometimes it not takes single bullet. Always practice these moving targets, it's useful. The more you have a better aim, the more kills you will have. See, the last one got stuck. I don't know, due to recording or else. My device is Redmi Note 8 Pro. I play on smooth and extreme. Sorry for the bad quality due to the recorder. most important step, practice your aim. If you use M4 plus 3x or 4x, it's the best. Now, most important question, if someone is taking TPP, how to kill him? Like he's taking TPP there. First, change your position very quick, like this. Not let him give you a single bullet. Then change again your position to the next position. Slowly move ahead. You like this. Now rush on him by jumping and crouch technique. Go from here, jump, jump, crouch, or prone. That's your choice. It's too easy to practice, and this jiggle technique by pressing both peak buttons also help. See, I'm practicing moving targets. It's too useful to improve your aim.